we have some very exciting guests coming to stay with us at the end of this month, and it's their first time in Shanghai and it's the first time in China. So we thought we'd film a perfect 2-day itinerary in Shanghai so that they can follow it when I'm at work as a virtual tour guide. So hopefully you guys like it too, but let's have a look at our 2-day perfect itinerary in Shanghai. And we are starting off strong in Tian Zi Fang.
Tian Zi Fang was a traditional shikumen residential area in the 1930s, saved from demolition in the 2000s by local artists.
This area is quite touristy, but there are quiet alleyways as well. A really handy thing about Shanghai is they have these yellow power banks everywhere, so if your phone is running out of battery you can just scan and you can get a power bank to keep your battery life going. So we've now got the metro over to the former French Concession and we are heading to Wukang Road, Wukang Building, and hopefully maybe we can find a cafe nearby to grab a coffee and maybe a little snack for lunch. Again, a classic icon of Shanghai. If you're here, you must visit it. It's a little bit touristy, but definitely worth a visit. This area is super busy though, so just bear that in mind. This area is great for architecture, whether it's more of a European style in the former French Concession or also the Art Deco, Art Nouveau kind of style. It's very prominent in this part of the city. And it's really nice to see. We're now walking towards Anfu Road, and Anfu Road have a load of really cute, unique boutique shops. They are more on the expensive side, but a great place to come and take photos. It's quite popular with younger people and photographers.
From Anfu Road, let's now head over to YuYuan, also known as YuYuan Gardens. YuYuan is one of the top places to visit in Shanghai to showcase one of the finest examples of a classical southern Chinese garden. First built in 1559, this garden within a garden is now a national key cultural relic site in China and a symbol of Shanghai. You can visit the YuYuan Garden's surrounding area for free, but if you want to visit the gardens, it will be 40 RMB. Make sure to bring your ID to get your tickets.
The internet will tell you that a must-do in Shanghai is visit People's Square and People's Park. I've been here for 4 years and I've never been, and Mu is Chinese and has also never been. So today we're ticking it off the list and we're going to see what's so special.
Inside the park, you can find the Shanghai Museum and Shanghai Grand Theatre. But the most famous attraction for tourists is its marriage market, where parents and grandparents seek matches for their children.
Oh, so this is the marriage market. Mu's looking for a new wife. This park is famous for their marriage market, and so Miu's having a look at all the eligible young ladies, and usually it's the grandparents that try and sell off their grandchildren that are unwed. And some guy just came up to me, asked me if I was looking. No.
The best time to visit the marriage market is on the weekend. From People's Square, you can walk along East Nanjing Road to the Bund, but you can also take the metro here if you don't want to walk.
We are now at East Nanjing Road, the longest shopping street in the world. And should you not wish to walk along the street, you can also get the street train at 10 kuai per person for a one-way trip. There are multiple ways of crossing the Huangpu River from East Nanjing Road to Lujiazui, and one of them can be metro. You can take the metro under, this is probably the cheapest. There is also a underground light sightseeing tunnel. This was around 50 kuai, so we're not going to do this one, but you can also take a ferry, which is what we're going to try to do today. And for 2 kuai, we're getting the ferry across the river. Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, I'm surprised. So that's only like 2 kuai. So
It's so cheap, yeah.
Shanghai Tower is the third tallest building in the world. This area is great to visit day and night, where you can watch the sunset over the Huangpu River.
To make this a convenient 2-day itinerary, we are staying at the Holiday Inn Huaxia, which is kind of near Shanghai Stadium and very close to Saobao Road metro station, so it's very handy for getting around. So let me show you our room. We have a premium room, and this one is on the 24th floor, so it has really great views of the city, and yeah, let's see. We have a lounge, a nice large bed, lovely big window and desk, then onto the TV and our essentials unit with our drinks and a mini fridge. Now if our wardrobe at home could be this big, I would be very, very happy. Through into the bathroom. I'm very excited because this is my favourite shampoo and conditioner. Actually, I didn't wash my hair last night because I knew I wanted to wash it here because they have a Dyson hairdryer, which we do not have. So this is a luxury little weekend for us as well, and I'm very looking forward to finally using a Dyson on my curly hair, so we'll see how that one goes.
The Holiday Inn has eclectic art throughout the hotel, with stunning installations inspired by dragons and Chinese culture. In the lobby, they also have a convenience store which had a great range of drinks available.
What did you get, Nat?
Strawberry and lime cider. It smells so sweet, and I can't wait to taste it.
The hotel offers a great selection of food for breakfast, including cheese, noodles, and my personal favourite, waffles. And perhaps best of all, as it's located on the 27th floor, you can even see Shanghai Tower.
What's nice about this hotel is it's literally 2 minutes from Taobao Road metro station. So we're going to hop on the metro and see some of our favourite places in Shanghai. We have now taken the metro over to Longhua Temple. Again, we've lived in Shanghai for years and we've never been here. So let's take a look and see a temple in the city.
Longhua Temple is one of China's most historic religious sites and is the oldest temple in Shanghai, dating back to 242 AD, during the Three Kingdoms period, although most of what we see today is from the 10th century.
So we are walking around the temple so then we can go put the incense, the prayer sticks. We've now come to West Bund, which is a great place for a picnic in the not so hot days, like spring and autumn is a lovely place to come. They also have a couple of malls here, so we're going to check it out and also have a little look at the waterfront, although we won't be outside for very long today. So we took line 12 from the hotel to Longhua Temple and then line 11 from there to here. This cafe can adopt the animals. Aww.
This dog is from the UK.
Yes,
Oh,
Ingle. This English dog looking for love. ENTP. Are there any like me? I'm INFJ. INFJ, this is me.
If you're looking for a quieter pace, Century Park is one of my favourite parks in Shanghai. It's the largest urban park in Shanghai and opened in 2000, accessible at Century Park on Line 2 or Yingchen Road on Line 18. Every time I visited this park, I swear I've been the only person there. If you liked our perfect 2-day Shanghai itinerary, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have we missed any of your favourite spots? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, bye bye!